Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Finding a reliable window air conditioner is crucial during hot months. The LG LW6017R offers a potential solution. This compact unit boasts 6,000 BTUs of cooling power. Designed to fit standard windows, it promises to keep small spaces cool and comfortable. But how does it stack up against other window air conditioners? We'll explore its features, performance, and value in this review. By the end, you'll know if the LG LW6017R is the best choice for your cooling needs. Stay tuned as we dive into the specifics of this popular window AC unit. Key features. The LG LW6017R 6,000 BTU 115 volts window air conditioner stands out for its impressive features. It ensures a comfortable, cool environment during hot days. Below, we dive into its key features. Cooling capacity. This air conditioner has a cooling capacity of 6,000 BTU. It can cool rooms up to 260 square feet efficiently. Ideal for bedrooms, small offices, and living rooms. The powerful cooling ensures you stay comfortable even on the hottest days. Energy efficiency. The LG LW6017R is designed with energy efficiency in mind. It has an Energy Star rating, which means it meets strict guidelines for energy use. This air conditioner helps you save on electricity bills. It uses 115 volts power, making it compatible with most standard outlets. The unit also features an energy saver mode, which cycles the fan and compressor to maintain the room temperature. This reduces energy consumption without compromising comfort. Design and build. The LG LW6017R 6,000 BTU 150 volts window air conditioner stands out with its sleek design and sturdy build. This unit combines modern aesthetics with practical features, making it a top choice for those in need of efficient cooling. Let's delve into its design and build to understand why it's one of the best window air conditioners available. Dimensions. The LG LW60R170R is compact yet powerful. It measures 17.3 inches in width, 11.1 inches in height, and 14.4 inches in depth. These dimensions make it suitable for small to medium-sized rooms. The unit fits snugly into most standard windows, ensuring easy installation and a seamless look. Material quality. This air conditioner boasts high-quality materials. The sturdy plastic casing ensures durability and longevity. The buttons and knobs are responsive and made to last. The metal components inside are designed to withstand wear and tear. This combination of materials ensures the unit remains reliable over time. Installation process. The installation process of the LG LW6017R 6,000 BTU 150 volts window air conditioner is straightforward and user-friendly. This section will guide you through the necessary steps and tools required to install this efficient air conditioning unit in your home. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure a successful installation. Required tools. To install the LG LW6017R, you will need a few basic tools. Having these ready will make the process smoother. Measuring tape. Measure your window dimensions to ensure a proper fit. Screwdriver. Secure the side panels and any mounting brackets. Level. Ensure the air conditioner is level to prevent water leakage. Foam strips. Fill gaps between the window and the unit for better insulation. The LG LW6017R is designed for easy installation. Follow these steps and use the right tools. Enjoy a cool and comfortable environment in no time. Performance. The LG LW6017R 6,000 BTU 150 window air conditioner promises excellent performance. It quickly cools a room. It operates quietly. It ensures comfort without disturbance. Let's dive deeper into its performance metrics. Cooling speed. The cooling speed of the LG LW6017R is impressive. It can cool a small room in minutes. It covers up to 260 square feet. This makes it ideal for bedrooms, small offices, or living rooms. The unit has 3 cooling speeds. You can choose the desired level of comfort. The cooling is consistent and powerful. Noise levels. Noise levels are crucial for any air conditioner. The LG LW6017R excels in this aspect. It operates at a low noise level. You can sleep or work without disturbance. The sound is just a gentle hum. Even at the highest speed, it remains quiet. This makes it perfect for noise-sensitive environments. Ease of use. This air conditioner is easy to install. The instructions are clear and simple. Most users can set it up without professional help. The control panel is intuitive. Even those not tech-savvy find it user-friendly. You can adjust the temperature and mode with just a few button presses. Maintenance. Proper maintenance of your LG LW6017R 6000 BTU 150-volt window air conditioner ensures its long life and efficient performance. Here we provide key tips on cleaning and filter replacement to keep your unit running smoothly. LG LW6017R AC short pros and cons. Pros: effective cooling, quiet operation generally, easy installation mostly, affordable, energy efficient. Cons: some compressor noise, limited air direction.